Hi guys, I'm back. This is my pre-K kindergarten door. We did these in March after Valentine's Day so that we could represent um, April and May flowers and spring that's coming up in March 20th. Right now I'm in spring break, and so I've decided to come to the classroom and destroy it. No, I'm kidding. To reorganize it and clean and come up with some new ideas because I have everything like kind of stacked there. But I have upper shelves, so I'm hoping to get my upper shelves, some of the books that I don't use regularly up there, and to file those baskets, the blue and green and the other green basket, and hopefully clean out that black file organizer. Other than that, it looks good. Hoping to clean that wall up a little, make sure it's good, clean this table. I did not leave this when I left for spring break. I had everything clean, but like you can see, I took it out of the cabinets and I put stuff on the table just so that I can see and what I have and decide what I need to put up and what I need to bring back. So bring out for the new semester or the semester after spring break. I went with Oh, the Places You'll Go, which was beautiful, and I love that my parent was able to put that up for me. We have a little bit over here. I was lucky to get a classroom that was full of essentials and some resources like the curtains and cubbies and alphabets and numbers and shapes. And I added the calendar and the sight words and the rules, the eyes focused and good listener and think with your brain and hands and legs to your own space. I was really lucky to have a really good team this year that can help me out. This is what the classroom looks like. I just recently moved this bookcase and put some books in there and the sight word readers above so that the kids can get to the library, this library, instead of the one that I have over here. Oh, and I just took down our word family matching off this brown pocket chart. And so, and the library was over here, but I'm going to use it for indoor recess, small groups. When I'm in small groups, they can come in, and the other half of the class can choose the orange or the green, depending on what I tell them. So yeah, I need to organize that. iPads, my paras area and pre-K area too. Yeah, I need to get rid of these books or figure a place to put them. So my objective is, and I had an idea of just putting most of them up there. So I need to make sure I got some book bins and stuff, and just like this side, but over here. So yeah, I'm excited. I've been here since 2024 August. It was a rush. It was one of my last times I was going to come. What was it? My last month. So it was July and August, around that time when I got hired. And so I was lucky to get this job. I love it. I love my kids. I love everything we do in here. We have our leprechauns. Our clovers. We don't call them shamrocks because there are only 3, and 4 is for shamrocks. So yeah. I decided to come back online a little bit on YouTube. I'm not going to vlog every day. I'm not going to promise that or anything. I just wanted to let everyone know where I was, what I've been doing. Maybe I'll talk about last year. We ended well. I enjoyed second grade. I realized that I'm more of a pre-K kindergarten teacher. So I was looking for a job for pre-K and kindergarten age group, and I'm really, really loving it and thriving. I believe thriving in it. So yeah, you saw my room. This is spring break. Yeah, I'm going to be here for like maybe 1 or 2, 3 days. I just wanted to reset the classroom for the centers, and organize that library shelf that I haven't been to, and I have to organize it. I didn't really want to, but it'll be okay. I'll get to it. Yeah, I'm going home. I went to the doctor's and gave blood work in the morning, so I'm tired and ready to go eat. I was eating snacks all day because I had a fast in the morning. So now I'm going to go home and find something to eat, a good dinner, or I guess good afternoon supper or something like that. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, leave comments below. Hopefully I'll upload this video as soon as possible. Sorry for the angles. I've just remembered that I have it up and down instead of horizontal. So it'll be uploaded like this. Thanks. Bye.